Okay, good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna presenting my midterm essay, which is destructive effect of online gambling on Indonesia economic development. My name is Satriadi Bo. Is the introduction. Online gambling is rapidly expanding in Indonesia, especially with the rise of digital platform. Unfortunately, this growth has not come with serious consequences. The convenience and anonymity of online gambling have led to increased addiction, particularly among youth. By 2024, it is projected that online gambling transactions could reach a staggering 900 trillion rupiah. This trend poses not only individual financial risks but also hinder our national economic growth. Let's begin with economic damage. On a personal level, addiction often leads to financial instability and mounting debt. People lose control over their finance, which can devastate families and communities. On national scale, this translates into a decline in household consumption, one of the key drivers of the GDP. When spending is funneled into gambling rather than productive consumption, our economy is suffer. And here's some alarming statistics about online gambling. In 2023, total online gambling transactions were recorded at 327 trillion rupiah. In 2024, it is projected to almost triple to 900 million trillion rupiah. And there are about 8.8 million active gamblers, and shockingly, 80% of them are come for the youth and lower economic classes, those who can least afford these losses. And the country also loses potential revenue as many gambling operations are offshore, avoiding Indonesian tax entirely. And yes, the demographic and addiction, youth exposure are 2.5 times more susceptible to gambling addiction due to online ads. And target demographic for online addiction predominantly youth range for 18 to 30 years old and lower income groups. It's leading to social impact like anxiety, depression, and addiction, leading to social instability. And from the economic perspective, the government having losses from the tax evasion due to offshore operators, and this preventing infrastructure development. And here's the challenge in the regulation. Most of online gambling platforms are based in countries like Cambodia and Philippines, making them hard to regulate under Indonesian law. Even though the government blocks many websites, the new one emerges just as fast. An encrypted system and anonymous payment using cryptocurrency further complicated law enforcement effort. And has the social and financial impact. Online gambling doesn't just affect finance, it has wide-reaching social impact. And first, it decreases labor productivity as addicts often miss work or perform poorly in their work. And next, financial instability can lead to job loss and increasing unemployment. And moreover, this unregulated platform create pathways for illegal financial activities such as money laundering. And here's some policy challenge and recommendation. Start from the challenge. Currently, Indonesia faces internal challenge in creating a unified policy approach. Government agencies often have conflicting views on how to handle online gambling, leading to inconsistent regulation and poor enforcement. A fragmented policy response is ineffective in tackling such a complex issue. And here's some recommendation for the policy. To address this issue, a multi-phase approach is needed. First, tougher regulation, stronger enforceable law that target both users and operators. An educational campaign is needed to raising awareness about the risk of online gambling, especially among the youth. And the third, there's international cooperation, working with another country to shut down offshore operation of online gambling. And last, there's revenue utilization, redirecting any recover fund into social program, education, and addiction rehabilitation. So, in conclusion, online gambling poses a serious threat to Indonesian economic stability and social health. A comprehensive multi-phase policy approach is necessary to mitigate its negative effect. By focusing on stricter regulation, educational programs, and international cooperation, we can protect Indonesia economic security and reduce the harm caused by online gambling. Thank you for your attention.